Have you ever noticed how your breathing changes when you're stressed, anxious, or excited? The way you breathe has a powerful impact on your body and mind. And that's exactly where pranayama comes in. Welcome to Inner Flow Wellness, where we explore simple, natural practices to help you live a healthier and more balanced life. Pranayama is an ancient yogic breathing practice. The word comes from Sanskrit, where prana means life force or vital energy, and ayama means expansion or control. In simple terms, pranayama is the practice of controlling your breath to improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. One of the biggest benefits of pranayama is stress reduction. Slow, mindful breathing activates your body's relaxation response, helping lower stress levels and calm a busy mind. Just a few minutes of daily practice can help you feel more peaceful and centered. Pranayama also improves lung capacity and breathing efficiency. By training your lungs to work more effectively, your body receives more oxygen, which can increase energy levels and reduce feelings of fatigue. Another important benefit is better focus and mental clarity. Controlled breathing helps quiet mental distractions, making it easier to concentrate, stay productive, and feel emotionally balanced throughout the day. Regular practice may also support heart health, improve blood circulation, promote better sleep, and strengthen your immune system by helping your body manage stress more effectively. The best part is that you don't need any special equipment or previous experience. All you need is a quiet place, a comfortable sitting position, and just 5 to 10 minutes each day. Start with simple breathing techniques, breathe gently, and never force your breath. Remember, your breath is always with you. Learning to use it consciously is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to support your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Inner Flow Wellness, and turn on notifications for more videos on yoga, pranayama, meditation, and holistic wellness. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take a deep breath, stay healthy, and keep flowing from within.